everyone, welcome to Sattva. My name is Simran, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then just go and subscribe to Sattva for more such kind of videos. As you guys know, winters are full of fun, but winters do come with chapped lips, and we don't want our lips to be really chapped and dry. We want them to be really soft and smooth. So in today's video, we are going to make a DIY lip balm using very few products, and this is going to be really fun and quick. First we need beeswax. Here I am using Sattva 100% pure jojoba oil and Sattva Lavender Essential oil just to add fragrance. Here I have grated 1 tablespoon of beeswax, half a tablespoon of jojoba oil, you need to microwave this mixture till it melts. And now we are going to add just a drop of lavender essential oil to give it that fragrance. And stirring it with the help of spoon and pour it into a container, let it cool, and your lip balm is ready. As you guys have seen, this is really easy to make and all these products are conveniently available. This lip balm is really going to help you and make your lips like never before, smooth and soft. So while preparing this lip balm, you can also add a little bit of lipstick or a pigment just to add a fun color to your lip balm so that it looks more appealing to you and it gives you that tint. You can apply it twice or thrice a day or whenever you feel that your lips are chapped, and do not forget to put it on your lips before you go to bed because it is going to keep your lips really moisturized and hydrated whole night and they will never chap again. Then do try this at home and do share your experiences with this lip balm in the comments down below. Also, you can check out our DIY night cream video which consists of jojoba oil, which is really good for your skin. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really did, then don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and do share your comments in the comment box down below. Also tell us that what kind of videos you're looking for on our channel. Till then,